초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
Hi guys! For today's vlog, I'm going to make a short video clip about denotation and connotation. So let's start sa denotation. Let's start sa denotation. So denotation is a literal framing of a term or sign. So, denotations have no subjective, symbolic, or otherwise non-literal meaning. So, ang denotation is framing of a term or sign. Ang denotation is mauna siya ang literal meaning. Literal meaning siya. So, denotation means the literary definition of a word. So, ang kaning denotation is kanang kanang definition of a word. Siya maghatag og kanang i-define niya ang word. So, to give an example, the denotation for blue. So, ang denotation sa blue is the color blue. Literal man siya meaning. Ang blue is kanang color blue jud siya. So for example, the girl was blue. So ang babae daw is blue. So it means the girl was quite literally the color blue. So ang babae daw is kanang siya blue siya. Color blue ang babae. Kay literal meaning man. So for another example, ang kanang black. So ang black is dark color. So literal meaning niya ang black kay itong man siya kanang nag-symbolize man siya kanang kanang ang black is kanang darkness. So mao na siya gitawag og denotation. Okay, so let's proceed the connotation. So connotation refers to the emotion or feelings that is evoked by a word and accompanies its literal meaning. So, ang kaning connotation is meaning behind the text. So, magatag kong example about connotation. Ang connotation, there are two kinds of connotation, the positive and the negative. So, ang akong ihatag is ang positive connotations. So, for example, she has a heart of gold. So, ang iyang connotes is good or a kind woman. Kay ang iyang gimin is ang gold. Kay behind the text man siya, literal alagi behind the text. So, ang connotation is ang meaning ana niya ang heart of gold kay good or a kind woman. So, for example, Ben is the new dog of Mayor Danny. So, ang connotation ato is ang dog. Bye guys! Thank you for watching.